look at collard greens and think, what am I supposed to do with this leafy jungle? Well, today we're turning things into a vegan dish so good you'll forget you ever knew what bacon was. And if you stay till the end, I'll reveal my secret for the creamiest, dreamiest gravy ever. Trust me, you don't want to leaf early. Stay dialed in because not only are we making your taste buds dance, we're also giving your bones and eyes a health boost. Yes, these greens are basically edible superheroes. Who needs a cape when you got collards? Here's what you'll need for your favorite comfort food. 4 large bunches of collard greens. 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 3 cloves of garlic, crushed, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. For the gravy, 1/4 cup Smart Balance, 2 cups sliced mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms bring the vitamin D, so your bones can be as strong as your willpower at a vegan barbecue. Pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of flour, 4 cups of vegetable broth, black pepper and thyme to taste. Let's start with our mushroom gravy. Melt 1/4 cup Smart Balance in a saucepan over medium heat. When it's foaming, add 2 cups of sliced mushrooms and a pinch of salt. Let them simmer until the liquid is gone, about 20 minutes. Mushrooms shrink, but their flavors get huge. Plus, shiitakes help lower bad cholesterol and support healthy blood pressure. So they're basically the superheroes of the fungus world. Stir in 1/4 cup of flour for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup broth. Whisk like you're on a cooking game show. Then pour in the rest. Add black pepper and thyme. Lower the heat and simmer until thick, about 30 minutes. Stirring often. Next, let's give these greens a spa day. Soak them in warm water with a sprinkle of baking soda for 15 minutes. This washes off pesticides because the only thing we want extra on our greens is flavor, not mystery chemicals. Dry your leaves, remove those dinosaur-sized stems, and roll a few together like a leafy cigar. Slice into thin strips. This is your ticket to tender, evenly cooked greens. Did you know collards are loaded with vitamin K, vital for blood clotting and bone strength? So, if you trip over your own feet like I do, these are your best friends. Sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. Toss it all together. If you sneeze, you're doing it right. Now, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a big pot. Add your greens, cover, and let them steam for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. If they're still tough, give them another 5 minutes. When they're tender, turn the heat to low. Here's the tip. Pour that luscious gravy all over your greens. Mix well and let them sit covered for 5 minutes off the heat. This lets the flavors get married. No prenup needed. For extra smoky flavor, add a dash of smoked paprika or a splash of liquid smoke to the gravy. Your taste buds will RSVP yes to this wedding. Not only is this dish delicious, it's nutritionally a powerhouse. Collards have more bioavailable calcium than milk, so your bones will thank you. They're also packed with lutein and zeaxanthin for superhero vision. This is important in preventing macular degeneration. And those shiitake mushrooms, vitamin D for strong bones, and they help keep your cholesterol in check. Who knew healthy could taste this good? Now you know. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.